back to Tonight with Cassidy, AKA Mashed. Because today we're doing a cooking show. And there's no other cooking show on television that is named something like Mashed. Anyways, it is almost Thanksgiving, and for me, I love eating Thanksgiving food, but I will admit, up until this point in my life, I haven't necessarily been the most helpful when it comes to like making Thanksgiving dinner. That's because most of the recipes that I want to make say that they will take so long and so many ingredients and so many things that I'm not qualified to do. So today, we are in apparently a kitchen that exists at KGW, and we are gonna make mashed sweet potatoes in a crock pot. Explain the dent. Oh, this is how you know it's my crock pot. It's moved across the country multiple times with me, and sometimes that happens when you move. Okay, so here's our ingredients. We got cinnamon. This salt is always at my desk. Fun fact. Butter, which is actually vegan butter, because we're in Portland. A knife. And pecans. Pecan pie might be the best thing to have with your Thanksgiving involving pecans, but we can put it on top of sweet potatoes also. Then we got the recipe on my phone. It's from Creme de la Creme. Basically, I Googled easy mashed sweet potato recipes. We need something easy, quick, and then we can just stick it in the crock pot for hours while we do the rest of our work day. We need a place to peel our sweet potatoes. Never been in this kitchen before.
A few moments later.
We found a dirty cookie sheet up here. Don't try this at home. I mean, do try this at home. The point of this is it's a recipe you can try at home, but clean your cookie sheet. But this is just gonna be for our peels, okay? It's not appealing, but we'll make it work. So we're just gonna peel our sweet potatoes. Try not to cut your hand. It's very satisfying. But just make sure if the holiday stress is getting to you, don't take it out on the potatoes because then you might cut yourself. Orange, you glad I'm making this recipe? Get it? Because it's orange? Okay, unpopular opinion, turkey is the worst part of Thanksgiving dinner. The potatoes are the best part. Oh! It says 2 pounds of sweet potatoes peeled and cut into 2-inch pieces. Like, is that a 2-inch piece? Okay, crock pot. It's actually really easy to cut these sweet potatoes. I always forget that potatoes are not difficult to cut. That's my insightful comment for you today. Aren't you glad you tuned into this episode of Mashed, where you learn things. We're adulting, okay? We're adulting. This is how you get out of your holiday frustration. You're like, ugh, my mom's not gonna give me a pony. Oh. Don't look at a camera while you're cutting, because I almost just cut my finger. So the knife definitely hit my fingernail, but thank goodness for gel nail polish. Now you might be watching at home thinking, wow, Cassie, you're really great at chopping sweet potatoes. And I say to that, yes, I am. A sweet potato is different than a yam? I don't know the difference. Maybe we'll Google it later. Now we're gonna put this into the crock pot vessel, and then I'm gonna do work, the rest of my work, and let it cook. And you guys just sit there, hang out for a few hours. Okay, sweet potatoes are in the crock pot. They are cooking. I'm on my way to our KGW studio on the square for a 4 o'clock show, and I just would like to say that I'm kind of jealous of all those sweet potatoes right now because they're just like cuddling up, being all warm in the crock pot. I'm out here freezing.
6.5 hours later.
It's time to mash the potatoes. This is a sweet potato masher. Get it? Because it's a sweet potato masher. Oh my god, it's working! I like having a live audience. Normally I'm making dumb jokes to myself. Proof that I have friends. Oh my god. Okay, we've got butter. We just put a lot of butter. Yes. Does butter be good? Salt to taste, that's what the people that are pros say. Sure, and some cinnamon. And now, we mash them around. Oh, it smells really good now. This is where we get into the ASMR video. Can you hear it? So we do it to taste. Then do we taste it? Taste it. Moment of truth. I feel like it needs some more something, but it tastes good. Maybe some more salt. Okay, the final step are the crushed pecans. Because yes, pecan. I think we did it. Okay, Andy's going for, oh, that's a good sized bite. Oh my god. Oh. That is a very satisfied look.
He likes it. On top, like nuts, really good salt to sweet ratio.
Yes.
Yeah, it's really good.
Woo, thanks. Okay, here goes Chris. What if you just hated it? Lisa, you had some.
Very good.
So yes, the quick, easy, multitasking at work, being kind of lazy, mashed sweet potatoes were a great success. Seriously, I know that wasn't a lot of taste tests and it was a very quick taste test by me, but I just got distracted by Friendsgiving and by eating everybody else's food. And it was also really loud, so it was hard to hear people really enjoying their mashed sweet potatoes. Anyway, I will put a link to the recipe from Creme de la Creme below. And if you're looking for something super easy and last minute to make for Thanksgiving, definitely try it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on Tonight with Cassidy.